we have everything that we thought about it. I mean, they didn't use all the details in the forums, but most of that was full, and it was enough for this type of reporting. I think that it's very important for three points. First of all, is when they leave the hospital, we send them with everyone going out with CD and paper, a report, what type of treatment he had in our hospital and what we think that he has to have in the future, first of all. Secondly, I think that it's very important to us after that for the debriefing to know what we did good and what we did bad, and sometimes we do mistakes, of course, and you know it only when you are sitting under the neons. And the third one, I think that everybody here knows the problem. We are speaking, all of us, speaking a lot about disaster medicine. We have not a lot of really good data. And we're speaking a lot about, we think that we have an experience, but it's not evidence-based. So we try